welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. If you are new here and you like content like this, makeup, beauty, hauls, then please click that subscribe button, as there'll be plenty more where that came from. For today's video, I've actually been gifted some products from Umberto Giannini. So they came in this really cute packaging, and I have two temporary hair colour masks. So they have sent me this one here. So this is the Rose Peach, and this one, which is the Sweet Violet. So I think today I'm going to go for the peach, and then what I'll do is I will still test this. I'll do a testing video of this, but I'll do it in like a couple of weeks time or something when this one's faded. So this is the Flowerology Naturally Kinder Colour Temporary Hair Colour in a deep conditioning mask, which sounds really good. I have recently gone back to like this silver ashy blonde colour, and I've finally got my hair, minus the roots, where I want it. So I didn't really want to put any permanent colours on, but when Umberto Giannini asked me if I wanted to try these, then I jumped at the chance, because they're temporary, they wash out. So they actually wash out in 2 to 10 washes. This is 97% natural with coconut oil and chamomile flower for light blonde to medium blonde hair. There's 200 ml in a tube, and it claims temporary hair colour in a deep conditioning mask created with natural ingredients to moisturise, smooth and add amazing colour. They're cruelty free and vegan as well. Right, so you apply this to dry hair. That's what I was going to check. Start by applying from your roots and massaging through to the lengths. Keep adding until the hair is saturated. It says for a pastel look, leave for 15 to 20 minutes. For a more vibrant look, leave for 20 to 30 minutes. I think I'm going to go for the pastel, so I'm going to leave it on for probably 20. Oh, it says for the boldest look, leave it on for an hour. So you can leave this on for an hour. And with it being a conditioning mask, that's probably going to give you that conditioning treatment at the same time. Right, and it also says to do a strand test. I have already done that, so we're good there. Right then, so I'm not going to do it in here. I'll take you through to the bathroom and we'll pop the colour on and take it from there. Right, so I've got obviously my colour. I've got a wide tooth comb. I've got one clip because I can't find my others. And I have some gloves, obviously, so that my hands don't get stained. So what I'm going to do is just section from around my ears, just to take the bottom half down first. And now I'm just going to quickly comb through this just to make sure that there's no knots or anything. I'm done with the defense, drove back. Great. So what I would normally do is use a brush with any colour, but I can't find my brush. I can't find anything. I can't find my brush. So yeah, I'm going to have to use my hands. I don't really have a choice, but that's fine. It's a conditioning mask and it's a temporary hair colour, so hopefully it will be fine. It's not like I'm putting anything permanent on. So, but if you have got a brush, then I would recommend using a brush, especially at the root area. Right, okay, so let's get this on. So I can't see very well. It's really bright in my bathroom. That's why I've had to move to a different area today, because I couldn't see a thing. Right, so I'm gonna just take a little bit at a time into my hand and yeah, just go from there really. So first off, the colour looks like this, which is quite scary. It looks really orange. So hopefully it won't go that bright. It will go more of a rose peach colour. But yeah, we'll find out at the end anyway. What I will say is it smells amazing. It's obviously called Flowerology, and it really does smell like that floral smell. So yeah, really nice. Right, so let's whack it on.
Your fans had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off.
So that's the first strand done, and although it's obviously only been on for a couple of seconds, my hair, because it's previously bleached, is very porous. So you can see that's really taken quick. So, right, I'm just going to quickly go through and whack the rest on. I'll just do a time lapse of me applying it.
Just soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Okay, so that's the bottom half done. So that's all well saturated and combed through as well, just to make sure that I didn't miss any areas. So I'm going to do the top now.
Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So that's all completely covered. So what I'm going to do next is just quickly massage it at the roots, just to make sure they're all covered, and just comb it through. Okay, so that's that done. So the next thing I need to do is I'm just going to clip it back, and then I'm going to leave it for, it took me about, I'd say between 5 and 10 minutes to apply it. So I don't think I'm going to leave it on for the full 20. I'm probably just going to leave it on for maybe 15, and then I will rinse it off and style it, and then I'll show you what it's like at the end. So I will see you as a new person, hopefully. And here's how it turned out. So yeah, I love it. I think it's really nice. I do like my silver, don't get me wrong, but this is a lovely change, and the fact that it's only temporary and, you know, it washes out is absolutely brilliant. I did use most of that bottle on my hair, but I have got really thick hair, so I do normally, I'm one of these people that if I have a box colour, I take 2 boxes, so that's not actually too bad. But yeah, my hair, I don't know if you can see, but it's really glossy and really soft as well. I'll show you a little clip of it in natural light as well, because it does look more peachy in natural light than with the bright lights on me. But yeah, I think it's turned out beautifully. Really nice and even as well. And considering how quick and easy the application was, yeah, I'm really impressed. I didn't mention that the price of the colour online, or the colour mask, is £9.25. And you can get it in Boots, or I don't know if Superdrug do it actually, but I know Boots do, or you can get it on their website as well. So I'll link anything down below for you. But yeah, I'll give you a quick look from the back as well. So yeah, as I say, in a couple of weeks' time, what I'll do when this is faded and washed out, I'll go ahead and put the lilac one on, so you can see what that's like as well. So if you do want to watch that, and obviously subscribe and ding the notification bell so that you can see when that's uploaded. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!